Hey, this is TJ again with the Backpack Trader. If you saw the last video, then you saw how the crude oil plan with our cloud control strategy won its session with 2 trades. The next day on the 8th, the session was a bit different. Same plan, of course. We started at 8:50 and the first setup occurred. It started early at 8:31. So we're not going to get into this trade unless we have the chance to once the clock strikes 8:50. And that happened because the trade went up, came down, and you can see here it's at 8:52. So it came down and touched our entry, and that's where we would get in sync with the trade. As long as the trade hasn't hit its target 1 yet, we can get in sync and take that trade. So it comes down and fills us, and so that becomes the first trade of the day. And then it heads lower, taking some heat here. Looks like it might stop and reverse, but there's a reason why this strategy is called cloud control. Gets into the cloud, which it finds support and starts moving in the direction of our objective. And if you remember, if you look at the prior video, you'll see how it works. But when you hit target 1, the stop moves up to break even. And so that happens right here. The system's smart enough to know it's still in the long trade. Stop moves up. Then it hits the little yellow dot right there, and then it starts to trail. Stop moves up, locking in more profit. Our objective is target 2 and a winning result, and then we quit with our power of quitting. And the whole point of that is to know when to stop trading so that we can hang on to our profits. The power of quitting, one of the 12 powers, which you can pick up our ebook, 12 Powers to Successful Trading, on our homepage, backpacktrader.com. And if you haven't gotten that, I suggest you do. It's got the 12 powers. It's definitely something you want to know about to create winning trade plans. But one of the things it teaches us is to quit trading when we've hit our goals. And like this, we can prove a trade plan will be successful into the future. And that's what this does. It comes up, it hits target 2. The trade makes 28 ticks. So in a full-size contract, that would be $280. On a mini, it's $28 per micro. So you could either do the full size or a micro. If you do a micro, you can do multiple contracts. But anyway, it comes up, and look at how, let's see, it went off the page there. Look at how it came up and hit target 3 as well. So it hit target 3 for 38 ticks. And then it went up a little further, quite a bit further actually. Keeps rolling off the chart here. You'll notice there was another setup here, but we're ignoring this because we were already in this trade. All right, take all that back. So it comes up, hits target 2. So you can see it comes up, it hits target 2. Looks like it wants to go higher. The trailing stop is moving up. And before it's able to get to target 3, just barely missing target 3 by a couple ticks, it came down and hit the stop. And so that's it. In one trade, this session is finished. Another session that lasted about 20 minutes. So this session made 28 ticks to target 2 and 20 ticks on the trailer, a one and done session. Stay tuned. The next video coming up will be the following session on April 9th.